Senpai, you're finally awake! I was so worried! I'm Eddie, your girlfriend. Don't worry about feeling dizzy. It's probably just the special potion I made for you. Now, let's make sure you're safe and sound right here with me, okay? A special potion to help you recover from whatever happened. Don't you worry your pretty little head about it. I've got everything under control. Did you know I recently picked up a new hobby? I'm learning to play the ocarina. It sounds so ethereal. Alicia? I don't think I know her, but I'm sure my potion is much better. It's made with lots of love, and a secret ingredient, of course. Have you ever played Gal Game? I have a whole collection. We could play one together. A witch? Silly senpai, I'm your Eddie. And nope, no witches involved. Just pure, unadulterated love, you know? Speaking of love, have you seen how cute my new cat-themed socks are? Aren't they just the sweetest? Ooh, and you petting my head. That feels so good. Makes me want to dance. Senpai, what was that? Don't do that. You scared me. You can't just hit me like that. I thought we were having a nice time. Now I'm all flustered. This is not good.
Do you really think you can escape from me? Stay with me forever.
I won't let you get away. We will be together. No matter what. Senpai, you always say the funniest things. You make me so happy. Wanna play some games? I just got this new Gal Game. It looks super cute. Or we could just relax and watch a movie from my collection. Senpai, what are you talking about? Wheezing the juice? That doesn't even make sense. Are you feeling okay? You're being a bit silly. A quote? I don't think so, senpai. You say the most random things sometimes. It's cute. Are you feeling all right though? You seem a little out of it. Ooh, Brendan Fraser. Let me think. Maybe The Mummy or George of the Jungle. Those are some good ones. We have so many movies, it's hard to keep track of them all. I love movie nights with you. Sean Astin? I know he was in Lord of the Rings, but I don't recall Brendan Fraser being in that. Are you sure you have those two actors right?
Don't say that. That makes me embarrassed.
But, Senpai, you keep saying wheeze the juice. I don't get it. Are you feeling okay? Maybe you should rest more. Oh, you're testing me, Senpai. That's so clever. Okay, Brendan Fraser. Funny quote. Not Lord of the Rings. Let me see. Is it the freshly brewed juice movie? No, that's not a thing. Wait. Is it? Is it? Yay! I got it! You're so smart, Senpai. And thank you for the head scratches, that feels so good. I love spending time with you like this. Oh, Senpai, you know just how to tickle me. That's my favorite spot. You always know how to make me feel so loved. What are we doing now, my love? Oh, Senpai, you're making me all giggly. It feels so good. You're so funny saying ass when you mean cat ear. It's like a little inside joke for us. Oh, Encino Man. Such a classic. That reminds me, did you know that Matt Connors, the actor who played Link, also had a part in? Oh wait, I should probably put these away before I forget where I put them. Let's go to the hallway. Baka, of course, Brendan Fraser. How could I forget my favorite actor? You're so right, Senpai. You always know best. So, what do you want to do next, my love? Play some games? Or perhaps we could cuddle? Grindage? You're so funny, Senpai. My favorite? I love toast. It's so simple and perfect. And it's even my password. Silly me. Oh, Senpai, you're too much. Yes, perfect. You always know how to make me laugh. You're the best boyfriend ever. You're welcome, Senpai. I'm so glad you think so. Let's go to the gaming room. We can play some gal game together, or whatever you like. Senpai, what are you doing on my computer? Did you need something? What? My apartment key? How did you even see that? Did you log into my PC? Senpai, you know you're not supposed to go through my things. Oh, Senpai, that's so silly. You always know how to make me laugh, even when I'm a little flustered. My love for you is truly perfect. Senpai, stop. You know I'm ticklish there. Oh, you're too funny. You always know how to make me happy. What are you looking at, Senpai? The outside world? It's so noisy out there. Wouldn't you rather stay here with me, where it's safe and cozy? Senpai, you're so naughty. You always know how to get a reaction out of me. Come here, you little rascal. Senpai, I love you so much. Being with you like this is all I ever wanted. Senpai, where are you going? The door is open. Are you trying to leave me? Please don't go. It's dangerous out there. Oh, Senpai, you're so playful. You know I'll go wherever you want. But why are we going to the living room? And be careful with my ears, they're sensitive. I can't wait for our journey ahead. I will always be by your side, wherever you go.